Hi guys, Melissa here with my honest and unbiased review of this 300 piece drip system organizer like connectors. You guys, there are so many connectors in here. There's T connectors, there's big T knit connectors, there's crosses, there's straight connectors, there's stoppers, there's all elbows, all the pieces you need for your drip system or soaker hose system. We have a soaker hose system in our garden, and I'm always running to the local hardware store to get these different connectors and pieces for it. Stoppers are the best when you have the end of a line. Anyways, it just has that so organized and in its own little box. I love this, and easy to store and find, and highly recommend it. Check it out. Let me know what you think.